Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 8 is the average formula. It says an average is equal to the sum of the items divided by the number of items that there are. And the problem says the number of dog collars produced each day for a week by a local artist to sell at the market were 11, 14, 8, 9, 8, 12, and 15. What was the average number of dog collars produced per day for the week? So to find the average, I'm going to add up each of the number of collars for the days. So I have 11 on Monday, 14 on Tuesday, 8 on Wednesday, 9 on Thursday, 8 on Friday, 12 on Saturday, and 15 on Sunday. And then I'm going to divide that by the number of items, which would be 7, since there's 7 days in a week. And then I'm just going to simplify. The average would be equal to, if I punch in a calculator, 11 plus 14 plus 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15, that turns out to be 77, and 77 will then be divided by 7. So I would find my average to be 77 divided by 7 is 11. So on average, the number of dog collars produced were 11 collars per day.